Hi and welcome to the Swedish Maker. But who is the Swedish Maker really? I'll tell you. My name is Pierre and I live in Sweden, and I've always been interested in making stuff. I usually get ideas when I'm in a store and find something I really want, and I think to myself, I could make that. I love it when I have an idea of something I really want to make, and especially if it's something I've never done before, so I get to learn something new in the process, which I guess makes me a maker. I make all kinds of stuff from all kinds of materials, and I get to learn new techniques and tools in the process. This also means I'm no expert at anything really. Sometimes I succeed and sometimes I fail, and you'll see all of that on this channel. So when this year started, 2019, I decided I want to film the stuff I make and put it on the internet. And making stuff not only gives me pleasure, but it also gives me some kind of meaning, I guess. And I want to inspire others to do the same. Because making something from scratch, that's just pure happiness. So I create out of passion, and the things that I'm passionate about changes all the time. For example, a couple of years ago I was really into leather crafts, and I did that for a couple of months, and then I got bored and had to learn something new. So if you follow my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, you'll see all the things that I'm passionate about. But I would also like for you to tell me what you think I should make. So please comment down below and tell me what you like. So for the remains of this year I have some ideas. I want to remake the garage. Right now it looks like a mess, and I want to make it into more of a workplace. I'm also thinking of buying a ceramic oven to start doing that. Of course I'll do some more 3D printing. There's actually no shortage of ideas, I just need the time to make it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please subscribe or comment down below, or don't, you decide. And I'll see you next week for another episode. Oh, and bye. My feet are totally wet from this walk. Look at this. The pain I go through.